For today's video, we are covering this creepy but adorable Demodog costume that my dog hated but put up with. So to start with, I'm taking a silicone and on the back of a plastic binder, I'm creating these little points by just pushing down and then pulling straight up and releasing pressure. They are going to curl over a little bit. When you're done with them, you can trim off those edges and any imperfections so that they have a nice flat bottom and a pointy tip. Next, I'm going to be going into craft fabric and gluing two sides together, one black and one red. I'm drawing in those lines and then I'm adding hot glue, letting that dry, and then texturing with some paint over top of that. Once I've got those all set up and textured and looking amazing, I'm going to add my spikes in with hot glue. They're nice and soft so that they won't hurt his face and that they're nice and squishy. This ended up fitting my big dog better, but he hated it even more than my little dog. So it was intended for Pie Pie. I put it on Mr. Pie Pie. He's looking awful spooky handsome. And he definitely wasn't quite sure what to think of it all, but I think it was a really cute prop for some photos and a little cosplay, and I absolutely love Stranger Things, so I thought that having a fun Stranger Things project would be an awesome way to do some cosplay with my pets. So I hope you think he's as cute as I think he is, because I just think he's adorable. Comment below other doggy cosplays that you think I could do with my little pie nugget, and like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this.